Let's look at the following example. Determine whether the relation e to the xy plus y equals x minus 1 is an implicit solution to the given equation. dy to the x equals e to the minus xy minus y divided by e to the minus xy plus x. And use the process of implicit differentiation. So let's remember the formulas first. The derivative of e to the x is e to the x. And if u depends on x, we apply chain rule. The derivative of e to the u with respect to x is e to the u times the derivative of u with respect to x. So we will start with our relation e to the xy plus y equals x minus 1, and we will differentiate this with respect to x. So we will take the derivative of each term with respect to x. First, we need the derivative of e to the xy with respect to x. So here we apply chain rule. E to the xy times the derivative of xy with respect to x. And over here we apply product rule. So we get e to the xy times 1 times y plus x times the derivative of y with respect to x. So from here to here we applied product rule when we took the derivative of xy. So now we multiply by e to the xy, we get y times e to the xy plus x times the derivative of y with respect to x times e to the xy. Alright, so now let's take the derivative of the relation with respect to x. So the derivative of e to the xy, y times e to the xy plus x times the derivative of y with respect to x times e to the xy, plus the derivative of y, that's dy to dx, equals the derivative of x minus 1, that is equal to 1. We need to solve for dy to dx. So for the last two terms, we factor dy to dx. So we get dy to dx times x times dy to d x times e to the xy plus 1 equals, this term will be moved to the right, so 1 minus y times e to the xy. We need to solve for the derivative of y with respect to x, so we will divide both sides by x times e to the xy plus 1. So we obtain the derivative of y with respect to x equals 1 minus y times e to the xy over 1 plus x times e to the xy. But now we need to simplify this fraction to write it in the form that was given in the problem. So to write it in that form, we factor out e to the xy in the numerator and in the denominator. So if we factor e to the xy, we get the derivative of y with respect to x equals e to the xy times 1 over e to the xy minus y over, and down here we get e to the xy times 1 over e to the xy plus x. So this is e to the xy times e to the minus xy, that's 1 over e to the xy minus y over e to the xy times e to the minus xy plus x. Now we cancel e to the xy, so we get the derivative of y with respect to x equals e to the minus xy minus y over e to the minus xy plus x. Now this is exactly the equation in the form that was given. So we conclude that the relation is an implicit solution to the given equation.